We just listed 20 units in the city of La Habra. This is the Villa Monaco Apartments located at 950 North Walnut Street. This is a prime piece of real estate. It's the first time it's ever been on the market. The property was built in 1968 by the original owner, and the heirs of the property are now selling the real estate. Now there's many buyers that are in the market looking for good real estate. This is 20 units, all 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 3-bedroom, 2-bath units, which are big units. I've went through a sample set of the interiors before shooting this video. These are large units. They're very desirable floor plans. And also this is a true value add opportunity. The rents are very low. The ownership has really just managed the property for occupancy. This gives a new buyer that's really looking for a true value add. We have modeled up a cap rate, stabilized cap rate of almost 7%, which is where the upside is in this property. We're well parked, we're on a great street, we're close to shopping and schools. In fact, a school is located right behind us on this property. So you're in a great market, you're in a very great street. We are conducting private tours for qualified buyers of the Villa Monaco Apartments. If you're interested, reach out to our team. We'll send you a brochure on the marketing materials. You can go through the financials, see if this is a good fit for you. But if you're an investor in the market, you want to create value, renovate properties, buy good real estate in Orange County, consider this asset. We look forward to setting up a private tour, taking you through the asset, and helping you out on your journey to acquire more real estate here in the market. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.